All right, so we're here with Joe Wittenweiler from HydroShield, talking about what he does, what HydroShield is, and the amazing benefits that it has for countertops, for shower glass, and all the different things. I guess the first question that I have, Joe, is what is the value of protecting a countertop, and how does HydroShield do it?
First thing, you have beautiful natural stone in your house. Congratulations, this is gorgeous. You want to keep it that way. And natural stone, glass, anything along those lines, there's peaks, valleys, nooks, crannies, there's imperfections in that stone. And it's in those imperfections where all the dirt and grime and grease and calcium deposits all stick. So over time, you're going to lose that beautiful luster. And what we do with HydroShield, we actually go in and vaporize that oxygen. We're going to vaporize those oxygen molecules and we're going to replace it with a piece of carbon, a microscopic piece of carbon, thousands of them. So we're going to fill in all those little microscopic pores and make this surface hydrophobic. So it's going to repel water, it's going to repel oil, it's going to repel stains. So if you have something that sticks or falls on your countertops, it's going to be very simple just to wipe the surface. You're going to clean your countertops with simple dish soap and water in most cases.
Wow. Okay.
Same thing you're using to clean your dishes, you're going to clean the rest of your countertop with soap and water, simple dry, and you're done.
No chemicals.
No chemicals.
I love that.
No chemicals.
I love that. Okay, so what is the difference between HydroShield and a film?
Yeah, it's essentially a foam protector. It's a piece of plastic that you're going to put over top of your beautiful stone. It's going to take away from the natural beauty. It can scratch, it can bubble over time, the edges can peel, and same thing, it can lose its luster over time. So you're going to have dull, faded, scratched up countertops that you're most likely not going to like in a year or two. With HydroShield, we're making a permanent covalent bond, and we're making it a molecular bond to the stone itself. So it doesn't evaporate, it doesn't deteriorate over time. For instance, on this granite countertop, I'm going to give you a 15-year warranty on it. So over the next 15 years, it's going to perform. It's going to repel that water, it's going to repel that dirt. You're not going to have any problems. And if you do, I'm going to show up back at your house and take care of it. But with proper care and maintenance and wiping up spills in a timely manner, this countertop's going to be slick and easy to clean for a decade plus.
Awesome. So if there's a homeowner out there that's watching this, what are some of the ways that they can reach out to HydroShield?
Go right to our website, www.hydroshieldlasvegas.com or hydroshieldlv.com, or they can call 702-609-6388 and book an appointment online. Happy to do any sort of in-house estimates or demos. It's a fascinating product, and it really should be on every single countertop. It should be on every piece of shower glass that's in your house.